Welcome. Yeah, Marcelo. Those are fun tips with Marcelo.
Yay!
If you're bored at home, we can use balls or any toys. We can use, what is this? Paint, a sheet of paper,
Yeah.
and a pen. And what are we going to do? We're going to have fun. Yes. We're going to put some paint here. See? Purple. And also, we're going to put some, what color is this? Yellow. And now, let's move your balls. Hurry up. Go. Move.
Wow, what a great painting Marcelo is
And we're
doing.
going to see what happens.
Move more.
More. Now, oh my God, let me see your paint.
That's a masterpiece, Marcelo.
Whoa! If you don't have balls at home, we can use a card. See? We're gonna use another sheet of paper, or maybe you can use a color paper, yes? And we're going to put some paint again. Woo! What color is that? Purple. And you can use your card inside. Use the card and see what happens.
Now move the pen.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Whoa. We're ready?
One more move. You want more paint?
Whoa, you use the wheel, yes.
Look at the wheels of the car. They're full with paint. That's so nice.
That's it. Oh, no.
The wheels
look.
have small balls inside, so it
No.
sounds. Look,
You
it's
have
another
to-
masterpiece.
Okay, Marce. Now we can do with some blocks. Look, I'm gonna put some paint here, and then look, you can take the block and do like this, mini circle.
Wow, that's
With
great.
this one, look. Yeah, mini circles. Small circles. Do it.
Paste in the paper, yes.
Good job. Do it. Yeah, mini circles. You can use any colors, right? Your friends can use blue, green, yellow, orange, or purple. You got that.
Yeah.
The last one. Put some paint, Marcelo.
Yeah.
And look,
Oh, that's a face, Marcelo.
we have a lot of marbles here. The little kids have to be careful. Move the pen. You have to do it with mommy or daddy. Move the pen.
Move it a lot.
Wow.
Wow, look the painting you got in the paper.
You want yellow? Yes. Let's get a little bit of yellow. Now move the marbles again. You want to decorate the subscribe? Here, let's put it inside and decorate the subscribe. Do it, Marcelo.
Wow.
Whoa!
Say subscribe, everybody. Look at daddy. Like. Give it a kiss, Marcelo.